Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how I made this butterfly bookmark. So I started off by making the sketch of a butterfly on another piece of paper, and then I used this to measure the width of the bookmark that I'm going to make. And after measuring the width, I then went ahead to rule out 2 lines to be sure of the width that I want to cut out.
I still love the boy I met at 14, pimple-faced teenage daydreaming car.
I placed the butterfly sketch on the bookmark and then I traced it out so that I'll be able to make the sketch on the bookmark paper.
Close when you drove far, like I always knew that you would do. Pack up your bags, tie on your shoes, and I'm missing a part of me when you're away. What do I have?
After making the butterfly sketch, I went ahead to fold my paper in 2 and then I cut out the excess paper that I'm not going to be needing for this bookmark. I advise that you're very careful when you are making this process, during this process rather, because you don't want to cut out what you need. So you have to take your time and gently cut out this bookmark.
That night, and I felt fine 'cause I was yours and you were mine. You knew me before I knew how to do my hair.
I folded the middle of the butterfly, and this is what is going to make sure that the butterfly is lined face up when it is used as a bookmark.
I'm missing a part of me when you're away. What do I have?
I found a butterfly picture on the internet and I was going to replicate the same pattern that I found, but it just did not turn out that way. So the pattern did not come out looking exactly like what I saw in the picture. So I advise that when you are making this pattern, do not press your pencil on the paper, because at the end of the day, you're still going to erase the pencil strokes. Yeah, you're still going to erase it at the end. And you can see our butterfly bookmark is already coming out nice. I went ahead to pick out the colors that I was going to use. I didn't want to use orange, white and black, even if butterflies with those colors look actually very stunning. I just wanted to do something different, and if you know me, you know that I love colors, so I wanted to put in a lot of colors into this butterfly. And finally, we're done with the bookmark. I love how this bookmark turned out. I won't lie to you guys. I love the colors. I love how the black is just making everything pop. You guys should tag me on Instagram if you make yours. I want to see the colors that you guys used. I want to see how yours turned out. I also went ahead to add a quote inside because I felt like it was looking too plain. The inner part of the bookmark was looking too plain. So I went ahead to add a quote, and I just really love this bookmark. That's it guys. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and other artists that you think will find it helpful, and until next time, bye.